Alright, well, this is the 787, the 800 Rotax out of the 96 XP. It's extremely dirty. If you look up here, it's seized up completely. I mean, it's rusted. I can't get those. I mean, it's really rusted on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the cylinders and probably try to, they're not going to come off of those pistons. So what I've got is trying to think where it's a bottle jack. This bottle jack and that chain, and I'm going to put the head bolts up there with the chain over top of the bottle jack, and then start pumping it and get that cylinder off of there. So hopefully I can do it with the other one. I might need to put something on top of the piston because it might not have enough length, but I'll get those off there, and I can definitely get you know, the this back cover off and stuff, because that crankcase is sealed. The crank's seized completely. So I'm gonna have to break everything loose. But I'm gonna set up here and get these jug bolts out.